this one, apretada. With the Reaper hot sauce and rice. Here at Tamarina. It's already 8 o'clock in the night. Good day everyone. This is how it is up here at the moment. Yeah, beautiful. A little windy. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, here we go again, here in my campervan. And today I'm going to install this. It's a flexible solar panel, but yeah, I put some aluminum to put in the roof rack. Yeah, I just came from the roof rack city in Hunter Valley, and they installed that. The total cost is $750. Expensive. Yeah. Yeah, because I've seen some news and video. Yeah, the roof racks, I mean the solar panel, fly away, and that's dangerous. Because my original plan was just to, yeah, just glue it in the roof, but that's dangerous. I'm not sure. And look at this. Yeah, I accumulate a lot of this yeah, different screw and tools, and I'm organizing it at the moment. Yeah, there's a big thick cloud, and so it is not hot. That's why this is the right time to put this up there. Maybe the other side. I'll go this way. But it is windy. I'm worried that this is going to be carried away by the wind. Just going to slide it there. I cannot reach. I need to open this. Okay. Stay there. Stay there, don't move. Okay, here we are climbing up here. It's actually in the right pit. Yeah, they measure it. I told them that the reason why I want a roof rack is because of this, and so they need to measure. Now I need to cut this, you know, this rubber, and only this much of block. Whoa, the sun is again there. You know, it's okay to walk around Bunnings with a cup of coffee. You know, here in Australia, in Bunnings, there is this kind of drive-through hardware where you drive in and then you collect the things that you need, just like this different woods and different panels. Yeah, things that you need, and then just put it in your car, in your van, and then drive away. Yeah, really nice. I'm actually here to cut this one. Yeah, they have a cutter here. Good day everyone, it's another day, and yeah, I was able to put this panel here. This is actually MDF. Yeah, this is the one. So I bought one full, yeah, MDF white panel, and I asked them to cut it, and this is how it is now. Yeah, and to cut it is free. And I was not aware that there's a lot of dust, and so my bed is now dirty. I just washed it yesterday in the laundry shop. Yeah, it's okay. So it's easy to install. I just slide it and it's done. Oh wow, it's different size. Ah, okay. Yeah, it's broken some parts. Look at this. Yeah, but it's okay. It's not going to show. Ah, broken. Look at this. Ah, and this is how it is now. But you know, there are some of this. It's alright. It is going to be covered by something later. And look at this, the broken one. Yeah. So basically I have the sink over there. But yeah, I'm not happy with this. And this is the table, the standing table. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not happy with this setup. So yeah, I'm going to reshuffle it actually. Okay, it is already 6:13 and I was able to transfer this one, the standing table here. And this is the new sink. Yeah. But this one is already secured using that one, that bracket. But this one, I cannot find a place to secure it. Yeah. And I'm hungry. I'm going to finish it tomorrow. I'm going to eat. Yeah, I'm the same. I have food here. Yeah, I'm going to just microwave it. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, I have yeah, I need to wash it, but I don't have tap water. And yeah, we are here at 1 Mile Beach. And yeah, I'm doing this. Basically, this box leather or fake leather. The same like this one, just different color. And I'm going to cover it with this, with the black one. Also this, I'm doing this. It's like a railing of my bed. I am using this stapler. Oh, look at this. I woke up to this. Yeah, they are still alive. But yeah, they have no power to get up. They are sticking in the wall of the van. Look at this one. Yeah, there are more. Yeah, and it is here while camping here. There can only be you for me. Good day guys, so this is my sink system. Yeah, I have this tap water connected to this. But the problem I have is this. Yeah, look at this. This bottled water that I am using. Yeah, to connect the tube going to the gray water tank. Good day guys, yeah, I'm going to grill this here in the hot plate. It's hot. I mean, not very hot yet. Actually, it's to be honest, I am really feeling shy in this situation. lots of people in here at the moment. Yeah, enjoying the sun, the water. I feel like everyone is looking at me. Yeah, I'm paranoid. But yeah, I am facing this pier. I can do it. I was actually very paranoid when I was cooking there. Oh, but yeah, I clean it. Before leaving that grill, I clean it. I will show you later. The other one is dirty. For this very simple campervan design, very basic, I made this much of mess. It's alright, I will clean it. Yo, good day everyone. I am day off today. Actually, since 2 days ago, I was day off. So I have 3 days off. Yeah, and today is November 30. So I have been doing this campervan for almost 2 months now. So I started at September 2. I got it at September 2. And then I started maybe 1 week after that. Yeah. And I finished all the major things that I needed to do, like the sink table, of course bed. I was also able to do this. I did not able to record because lazy. Also lots of procrastination, you know. I'll do it later, I'll do it tomorrow. But actually I almost finished. Just the wall is the final, one of the major thing that I need to do. The last major thing that I need to do. Yeah, this one. Yeah, just basically this black fake leather. This one. These 2 meters. I forgot, maybe $60 for 2 meters. Yeah, not the best. Difficult. Also, I should put some kind of foam inside. Yeah, so it's I should do that. Now my finger, lots of glue. This. But this is actually the major thing that I need to do, the last one. Oh, let me show you also another thing. That's where I put all my kitchen things. Yeah, because also I am feeling lazy now. I feel like I already spent a lot of time and I want to do another thing now. Yeah, I want to ride the bike. I want to vlog regularly, you know. I want to record myself walking around, going somewhere, riding the bike, driving, and editing, of course. Yeah, because my time has been taken by building this. Yeah, look at this. Not the best, but it's alright. This is not how I picture it actually. I picture it the same like a luxury car. You know, the wall of the luxury car. But it doesn't look like that. Yeah, not professionally made. The main reason is I'm living in it and I want to finish it. So time and equipment. I don't have a lot of equipment.